Why do people trade? Tap into the mindset of a trader, the hidden secret to trading success. Trading provides access to an instant digital market compared to the real markets of buying and selling, with counterparties using communication and information gaps to succeed. At the click of a button, you can use your knowledge to enter and exit the market without picking up the phone. Freedom. Traders are able to make their own decisions using their own money or a prop firm's money and do other things as they please around the market and their preferred trading style. You will rarely get a call from the market itself saying, "Hey, can you do this? It's urgent," and you have to do it or you can never trade again. You don't have to be in a particular location as long as you've got internet and access to your computer. And even then, there's VPS that can run in the background if you've got a coded program. Cash position. Trading often involves the holding of mostly cash and even using a small amount of risk on each trade to the point where any one trade would be insignificant if it does not work. The holding of cash offers a level of safety, liquidity, and financial mobility to traders if they do not over-leverage. Time. It doesn't have to take up all of your time. Precision or algorithmic trading can be your best friend in the market. Scalability. Able to scale up to the point where liquidity becomes the problem. Automatable. Coding algorithms based on opportunities, market conditions, and finding gaps in the market can be created and tested before putting any money behind it. Self-development. One of the world's hardest skills. Many see it as impossible and most view it as improbable. If you do eventually master it, what an achievement it would be. Let's look at some arguments against it. So you're up against arbitrage and high-frequency trader organizations. However, real market moves often take longer than 5 minutes to play out. HFT or high-frequency trading makes money relying on speed, but that speed only gets you micro movements. Patience once again rules for traders that don't have advanced tech, just like a buy and hold investor might do well. Meanwhile, a HFT is making money on the same stock. Just because someone is making money in between does not rule you out for turning a profit. Let's look at the real tradable market, so produce, goods, and services. Communication is different. So in comparison to trading where you can click the button, in the real tradable markets you have to communicate well. There are information gaps, but the information gaps are different in terms of price. So there are many more skills with the real tradable market that need to be acquired, such as sales, communications, network, whereas trading allows you to access all of the markets at an instant and the click of a button for the transaction to go through. The value provided is slightly different, however it is somewhat similar, giving liquidity to the market so that others are able to buy and sell against your orders. Let's take a look at the risks. Losing trades are obviously the big issue. However, swap, commission, spread, and other fees can eat into your profits even if they are winners. Then you've got the broker. The broker may not pay out, or they could go broke or stop trading. You might get put on A book liquidity, meaning the broker doesn't take on your trade and puts it straight to the market. Your spreads will often increase, making it harder to get in and out for a profit. Platform changes could mean changes to time zones, trade execution such as timing, coding language changes, meaning your algorithms might be a little different to how they were before, and then the features that are provided on the platforms could change as well. Let's look at the possibilities now, with winning trades bringing consistency as income. If it cannot be repeated over and over, is it worth it? So a winning trade that happens only once or twice could mean that the other times it'll lose the money and therefore not be worth it because it won't create the consistency or an income, and therefore the freedom part won't be applicable. You can also access positive swap fees, where the overnight rate is payable to you just by holding that position. Trading needs to be an algorithmic process, so boring in nature, trading using price movement to gain a profit while providing liquidity to the market. So in comparison to high frequency trading, where they're looking for small increments and taking advantage of order placement, you're looking at the actual market and waiting for price movement. So it's a very different game, and it doesn't rule you out just because the high frequency traders exist. Let's look at how to do it now. Start small. Track your results long term. You will need these results to filter and assess your progress and ability to maintain confidence quarter on quarter. Learn to manage risk over the long term. Understand the implications of trading where any one loss is a significant event. Remember, consistency means income. Inconsistency means you probably can't repeat this again, thus it becomes a void event. Understand the markets, what can happen and how it all works. Go deep into technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and the real-world events that actually move the market. Figure out your preferred style, be it day trading, swing trading, forex, index, metals, algorithmic and manual trading. Code algorithms and use programmatic backtesting to test the results before trying it in the real markets. Take a long-term approach. Getting lucky won't keep you rich. Consider the effects of dollar cost averaging. Building an account over time as you start small and gain experience can be a great way to grow your portfolio. Work on alternative but relevant skills such as patience, focus, mental sharpness, and mental agility. Learn the platforms, software, and tech behind trading to ensure you encompass all elements you need for success. Decide on your best opportunity for success. Is it via your own account or using a prop firm like Apex Trader Funding? Map out the rules against your own actual results, and if your trading would generally pass the challenges, it may be worth checking out the prop firm Apex Trader Funding to gain access to increased capital to trade with.